everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today, I'm going to be sharing a yummy southern fried cabbage recipe. First things first, you're going to need a head of lettuce. Go ahead and put your cabbage to the side because we're going to be using it a little later. Next up, we're going to chop up our turkey bacon. Now you can use any kind of bacon you would like to your tasting, but I'm going to use turkey bacon because this is just something that I prefer. And I'm only going to use not too much of the pack, not even half of the pack. But if you want more bacon and more flavor, use the whole pack. Go crazy. Next up, we're going to go ahead and cook our bacon. I did add a little bit of olive oil to the pan before putting the bacon in. Now you can cook your bacon until it's extra crispy, until it's a little crispy, or medium. Next up, we're going to caramelize our onions. I did get a tri-blend from the grocery store already chopped up. It is onions, celery, and green peppers. But if you don't want to use that tri-blend, go ahead and just chop you up some regular onions. It's up to you. Next up, we're going to add some garlic. About a tablespoon of garlic. That spoon I was using, it's a little bigger than a tablespoon. It's kind of like a mixing spoon that you cook with. So about a tablespoon of garlic would do the trick. If you love garlic, go crazy with it. I love it too. Next up, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I didn't show the second one I added because I added it a little later with the cabbage. So make sure you have 2 tablespoons of butter. Once our onions are caramelized, we're going to go ahead and start adding in our cabbage. So add in all your cabbage because what's going to happen is that cabbage is going to start cooking down and it's going to shrink. Once your cabbage is in the pan, you want to go ahead and just start tossing it around so that you can get all that yummy onion and garlicky flavor blended all together with your cabbage. Next up, we're going to add our seasonings. Now, I am working with one hand, so I want to let you know I added in a sprinkle of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes just to give it a little kick. If you're afraid of a little kick, then don't even add that crushed red pepper. Next up, it's bacon time. Add your bacon with your cabbage, and then you're going to go ahead and just toss it all around. Blend up all that yummy goodness to your cabbage. Now that our cabbage is done, I'm going to go ahead and plate this yummy, yummy, yummy side dish. And I am going to be serving this yummy dish with some cornbread, because you can't go wrong with cabbage and cornbread. Now, I didn't make this cornbread, but I bought it from Publix. Trust me, it's delicious and it's sweet just the way it needs to be. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy videos.